Oh no.
Yeah, I know.
Copy
This car's
that.
probably not
Documents
gonna
it.
be here when we get back.
Or
Cool though,
02, we have
right?
any units able to respond? Your unit?
243, 247, 76.
Actually, it might be here. Because I'm the driver of the boat. We know where their getaway car is, correct?
Yes, I'm stood right next to it. It's on the pier. But just where the next to the pier in the parking lot.
You want to stay there and surprise them when they go for the swap?
Oh, we'll do.
Where's the 78 needed?
1090 at the yacht. You can also use air support.
76 here.
What kind of car is it?
It's going to be a black coloured two-door sports car.
Where's all of our officers?
247 is going 76 at the beach.
Oh no, there's a lot on duty. There's like 4 or 5 at MRPD, it looks like.
A visual and a hostage?
So I don't see a hostage.
So we got no hostage.
Negative. Also on class 2s.
Hey, Kelly, do you think I should deploy SWAT on that?
We're attempting to make contact now. Sounds good to me, though. Hello there!
Alright.
Hello? On the boat? Hello?
Privyet?
They're not communicating with us. Hello, it's the police!
Privyet eto police. It could be Russian.
Did you say they're not communicating?
Affirm, and we have not seen a hostage.
SWAT time.
Motor unit, did you see any hostage with them either?
That's a negative. I just saw them both get out of the vehicle, go to the trunk, pull out the class 2s and walk straight towards the jet ski. Not see a hostage at all.
Or two, you want us to board this yacht or hold?
Kelly, where are they at?
They're on the yacht.
Well, yeah, like 3rd floor, 1st floor, 2nd floor.
First floor. Hey! On the boat! Hello, it's the police!
Norton, where you at? Richardson, where you at? Behind you. Kelly, are they still on the yacht?
Affirm. I'm gonna have visual on one individual wearing all black, bald head. He'll be on his knees at this point in time.
Was that the guy that we were trying to make contact with?
Yeah, he's the one that got into the jet ski first. Class 2 out, so he is out.
Got a class 2?
Oh, copy that.
Yeah, they both had class 2s.
Wearing all black, no hair.
Yes. So both of them both running towards the jet ski with class 2s out.
Their position on the yacht.
They're gonna be towards the front in the little stateroom. No visual on the suspect. Just one hostage appears to be on his knees by himself.
Yeah, we're only getting those 2 heat signatures on the boat.
Oh, well,
It does have their hands on their head there, as you're stating.
be advised, we did see that same individual walking around with a pistol. I believe he took out one of the guards.
Hey, firm, we're gonna be landing shortly.
We're gonna be approaching from the rear of the boat.
We're gonna come from the front.
Do you want to come pick me up?
Alright, be careful, Kelly.
Get 4 in Air 1. I believe there's 2 in the boat.
We don't need any more holes in either one of us, okay? Oh,
Where are they?
Last seen at the same location under the boat. Come on. Or 2+1, we're holding position at the rear of the boat.
Alright, we're getting off Air 1 now. Alright, we're gonna start making our way towards there. We're heading towards the staircase from the front.
Everyone has comms.
Lynch, go up the other
We'll hold
side.
position
Go up the other
there.
side.
Pull
Go up
one
the other
down.
side.
He doesn't appear to have a firearm at this time.
An individual was armed with a pistol.
I can't see the pistol on thermal, so
Alright, we're about to make the entrance into the area where they're gonna be.
I'm watching the door on the forward side.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
hold position. Hostages standing up, or guy pretending to be hostages standing up. The other guy is not armed. Carrying a weapon. I can't see any weapon in his hands with him.
I can see somebody's arms, it looks like, coming out the door.
On thermal, I can't see that he's holding anything, but I could be wrong. Doesn't look like he's holding anything, if you get me.
I'm rotating to the other side.
Right on your 6.
Back with Kelly there. Alright, we're behind there, Lynch.
10-4.
Alright, I'm gonna step off comms. It's over to you guys. They are still... I'll keep an eye on them. I'll let you know if they move. Still in the same spot.
Copy, on your go. I'll take the hostage. Wanna be...
We're moving shortly over from the right. Right at the entrance to the room.
Looking at in your direction. On your left. He's on your left as you go in the door.
Moving over to port side for back Kelly up.
Hands up, hands up. I was told not to talk until they come out.
They're gonna be in the vault. They're gonna be in the vault.
Come this way,
Pretty sure
sir.
the vault's locked up. I tried tried to
Come
get
this
in.
way, sir. This way.
Yeah, I can't get in.
Sir, come towards me.
Hey, somebody's in there.
Come on.
I'm pretty sure. He
Go ahead and
said,
face away.
the gentleman just said, we're told not to talk until he gets out.
He also has his hands up.
Yeah, both people have their hands up. So,
Don't go anywhere, sir.
Alright, I got one detained.
Alright, let's move it towards the back of the boat here.
Sir, do you have a name?
Trevor.
Hey, Trevor. Just so you know, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you should say or do can and will be used against you in a court of law. You also have the right to an attorney. The attorney present during any and all questioning. And if you cannot afford one, sir, one will be appointed to you free of charge by the state if it's available. You understand those rights?
I do.
Kelly, where'd you go with the other guy?
I'm gonna hold back on the other side of the boat. That way, if we talk to them, they don't listen to each other.
Yeah, we're on the port side deck.
Wow, port side, really? Listen, sir. With those rights in mind, are you willing to answer some questions?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on here?
Right off the side here.
I'm guessing a
so apart from
robbery.
you guys, those were the only two
Robbery?
thermal signatures on this entire vessel.
If we still have that.
Do you have a
vehicle
description
going
of who
down at
took
Cape
you?
Jared, if
Was
they-
your
we're still next to
hostage
it.
taker?
Yeah, if they have class 2s, we'll come and search them after.
Just two guys or
We'll search
three
the whole house,
guys,
it's
two
fine.
jet skis.
3 guys, 2 jet ski. Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Sir, I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? I don't ask questions that I don't already know the answer to. Okay?
403 steam room.
Now, with that in
Okay.
mind, would you like to change your story?
Say that
I would
we have
not.
control of the vessel.
Okay, sir. At this point in time, you're going to be under arrest for robbery and the,
You said you saw that one guy shoot
whatever
up.
degree this is. It might even be first degree.
guy's
I'm going to have to check the penal code. It's at least second degree.
Pretty sure it is.
Guy was the one from the vault, correct?
Also, aggravated battery.
Code 4.
Would you like a lawyer at this point in time?
Oh no, lucky. Only second degree.
Oh, that's so lucky. Would you like a lawyer?
Nice. Yes.
Is there anything on your person that's
We
going to
both
stick me,
use
stab
our
me,
negative
poke
on
me,
these.
prop me, hurt me in any other way?
No.
Okay.
Kelly hasn't given out who the other one was. And the
Don't
other-
go anywhere. Stay right there.
The other one, I don't know yet.
You got it.
My suspect is GSR positive. I don't know where his gun went. They gotta be somewhere on this boat.
If not, what does the other gentleman have? He might have taken it to make it look different.
I'm also gonna search this jet ski.
Did they both have class 2?
They both had class 2s. 100%.
There's nothing in the jet ski.
He has like a bunch of guns on him.
Probably
What, your guy?
the other gentleman.
Yeah, he has 2 Berettas, and then there's also a carbine and a shotgun.
There we go.
Since the other gentleman's positive for GSR. Really hard.
Oh, I watched him shoot.
Oh, well then we got him.
Especially
They
with you,
really
Kelly,
think
you-
I
you-
was
you got
stupid.
your fucking evidence. Yeah, they're trying to play fake hostage here.
This is very awkward, sir. I'll just grab some shit. Okay.
247.76 to the last 17.
Yeah, at least makes me want to go to the beach.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and get him over to the boat. I might have to go for a swim to get the boat.
I'll get it. So that you don't
Oh, thank you.
take him with you.
Oh, I wasn't going to.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a very strong.
That's fine. I already fell in. I'm wet already.
Use this.
Yeah, you can walk, I think, still.
47's 23 and the 17 cuts. They're still in the middle of an active run. Sorry.
How far away did it get?
Yeah, just stick by that car still. With the gentleman that
Oh,
had
it's right here. It's right here.
yeah, weapons on him.
Oh, perfect.
Get him out.
Let me see. I'm trying to move it in position for you.
So they can't see you. In case anyone tries to come pick it up.
Oh God, it's.
You gonna run up to your one?
Yeah, I guess.
I imagine it'll be registered to one of these individuals.
Can we fit both of them in the boat?
Yep.
Okay, if you want, you can give one of them. You can give it to a ground unit if there's none over there anymore.
Oh, yeah. You help us get them on the oh, can you,
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, good, good.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
No, be careful.
Ah! We're okay. Here, I'll just help you. Okay. Let's go to the shore.
Yeah, I only
And,
got 2% gas in here anyway.
Oh shit. Was there two? Do we have any ground units? Take these suspects.
Hope I don't have
Yeah.
any water in my lungs.
216, wait, he's photo.
You don't
Do
sound like
you
you.
need to go
I'm
to
not
the
a very good
hospital,
swimmer.
sir?
Somebody on the pier. Can we get you to?
Oh, I see.
She's trying to jump to go back and get cruiser, then come back and get you.
We can head to the marina. We have a unit, but sometimes the state takes them.
So go 220, will head back to PD to get a cruiser.
Meet us at the marina.
Oh, the waves tonight. They're amazing.
You guys both hostages? Oh, you asked for a lawyer. I can't ask you that.
The right side.
Yeah, but I would park it up first before.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you guys to take. Yeah.
Oh, the car's still here. 402
Okay.
dispatch. Our vehicle's still here. We can transport. You need medical attention, sir?
I think I'll survive.
Okay. What's your head?
Also, well, I want to head back to the vehicle and impound it.